Hi everyone, I'm Jason Okba, a student from Caraga State University, and today I'll explain how our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, differs from our other national heroes, and which led him into our national symbol. Dr. Jose Rizal was declared the national hero of the Philippines for several significant reasons, which stem for his life, works, and the role he played for our Filipino ancestors fighting for independence. Jose Rizal was not a typical revolutionary leader. While others fought with swords, he fought with his pen, writing the most prominent novels for me, which are considered the national epic of the Philippines, the El Filibusterismo and the Noli Me Tangere. His emphasis on education, reform, and peaceful resistance, along with his ultimate sacrifice, made him the perfect symbol of the Filipino quest for freedom and justice. Rizal's vision of a just society based on reason, equality, and human rights remains a guiding light for the Filipino nation to this day. His life and martyrdom were powerful catalysts in the ultimate achievement of Philippine independence, and his legacy as a national hero transcends the typical narrative of armed resistance, making a timeless and unifying symbol of Filipino identity and aspiration. Dr. Jose Rizal was a hero unlike any other, a symbol of peace, intellect, and our national pride. May we honor his memories by living up for his ideals, striving for truth, fighting for justice, and always seeking for a better, compassionate world for all. And let us keep the word, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Long live Dr. Jose Rizal. Thank you for everything.